Hey, Ryan, the weather feels perfect today.
Hi, Aisha. Yes, it's warm but not too hot. I really enjoy days like this.
Same here. The sky looks so clear and blue.
I know. Yesterday it was cloudy and grey all day.
And it rained in the evening. I heard thunder too.
Yeah. I got stuck outside without an umbrella.
Oh no, did you get wet?
A little. The rain was heavy and the wind was strong.
The weather changes so quickly these days.
True. Morning is cold, afternoon is hot, and night is cool.
So unpredictable. Do you prefer this kind of weather or stable weather?
I prefer stable weather. I like when I know what to expect.
I agree. I like cool days, especially in autumn.
Autumn is nice. The leaves change color and the air feels fresh.
Yes, and I enjoy wearing light sweaters during that season.
What about summer? Do you like it?
Summer is good for holidays, but sometimes it's too hot and humid.
That's true. Humid weather makes me feel tired.
Me too. But I love summer evenings. Warm and calm.
Summer nights are beautiful. You can see stars clearly.
How do you feel about winter?
Winter is cold, but I like drinking hot chocolate and wearing warm clothes.
Same. I like sitting near a heater and reading a book.
But waking up early in winter is hard.
Yes, the mornings are freezing and the sun rises late.
What about spring? Do you enjoy it?
I love spring. The weather is mild, flowers bloom, and everything feels fresh.
Spring rains are relaxing. Soft, gentle rain is my favorite.
I like that too. The smell after rain is amazing.
Definitely. And birds start singing more in spring.
True, I also enjoy going for walks in spring parks.
What's the weather like in your hometown usually?
It's mostly warm and dry, but we get heavy rain in August.
Interesting. In my hometown, winter is long and very cold.
Really? Do you get snow?
Yes, we get a lot of snow. People build snowmen and have snowball fights.
That sounds fun. I've only seen snow once.
You should visit during winter. It's beautiful but icy.
I'd love that, but I think I'd need a thick jacket, gloves, and a scarf.
Yes, and boots. Warm boots are important.